Okay, class, this is Sir June, your math teacher for today. So, our lesson for today, class, will be all about calendar. So, before we start our lesson, we're going to read first the poem aloud. So, this is the poem 30 days have September, April, June, and November. All the rest have 31, excepting leap year, that is the time when February days are 29. So what month this one? We're celebrating a new year. This is January. And for this, we are celebrating Valentine's Day. This month is February. And the next slide, we are celebrating graduation. This is month of March. And how about this slide? We celebrate this every month of April. And who can guess for this? This is month of May. Nutrition Month. Example for the theme, we have wastong nutrition kailangan, lifestyle diseases iwasan. And this month is July. So we are celebrating always Nutrition Month in the month of July. And this one, Linggo ng Wika. So Linggo ng Wika, we are celebrating this every month of August. So many of the students are participating. They are maybe dancing. They're maybe performing poem or other performances that assigned to them by their advisors. And this one, month of September, we are celebrating the birthday of our Mama Mary. Oh, month of October. This is month of the Holy Rosary. All Souls Day. We are celebrating this every month of November. And this one, birthday of Jesus. This is month of December. So Christmas or Pasko. So study the calendar on the next slide. This is the example. This is the example of the 2020 calendar. So we have here first month, January, second, February, next March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So class, study the spelling of each month. the number of days also in every week and every month also. Study the number of days, and we will be asking with you questions later. So these are the questions, class, as I mentioned earlier to you, that you need to study the slide for the calendar, because I have questions here to ask with you. The first one is, how many months are there in a year? So we will be answering all this later after asking the questions to you. If you want, you can write your answer in the paper, and we will check later during the slide that I'll be showing to you later for the answers of this question. So number 2, how many weeks are there in a month? Number 3, how many days are there in a week? And number 4 question, how many days are there in a year? And the 5th question we have, if today is March 11, what day will it be tomorrow? Okay, we are going to check now our answers. As I told you a while ago that you can write your answer in a pad paper, and it's the right time now to check your answer. Okay? So please check your answer. The first question was, how many days are there in a week? So the answer is, there are 7 days in a week. And the second question was, how many weeks in a month? So the answer is, there are 4 weeks in a month. And the third question was, how many months in a year? And the answer now, we have here, there are 12 months in a year. Okay, another answers. Let's continue to check your answer. So the fourth question was, how many days in a year? So we have here, there are 365 days in a month or in one ordinary year, and there are also 366 days in a leap year. So I have here a typo error. I forgot to correct, but the right answer there is 365 days in a if including the leap year. So number 5 question was, um, including the leap year, class, that's 365 days. But if it's in ordinary year only, not including the leap year, we only have 365 days. A leap year happens every 4 years. So don't be confused, class, that in ordinary year we only have 365 days in a year, huh? If we are going to include a leap year, because leap year happens every 4 years, so it becomes 366. So I have a typo error there. I'm sorry, but I am correcting you now. I'm sad for correction. So remember, February is the holy month with 28 days. So it has 29 days during a leap year. So as I discussed earlier, the previous slide, that the leap year happens for every 4 years. So in ordinary, we only have 12 uh, 28 days, and then it has 29 days during a leap year. So 29 days appear every after 4 years. That's for leap year, class. Okay, thank you so much, class, for watching, and I hope you learned a lot from our lesson about the calendar. And please remember all those months in a year, all those number of days in a week, in a month, and in a year also, including leap year, and also those celebrations that we celebrate every month. So take note always those, and don't forget, always remember those important topic that we discussed today. So I hope that this video class helps a lot with you, and you also remember the spelling of the month, and those months from January to December. And please don't forget all those. It's very important. And class, I am asking with you, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I hope that you learned a lot from our lesson for today. And thank you so much. And God bless everyone. Bye, and see you for my next vlog. Love you all.